Hey there, my friends. G. Halberto here, and today we're diving into something incredibly important: tips on how to live a healthy life. You're going to be imparted with wisdom that has stood the test of time. Real practical advice that can truly transform your life. More so, to introduce you to a solution that can be your guiding light when the need is urgent. Without further ado, let's get to it. Tip number 1 is nutrition. You are what you eat, right? So, focus on eating whole, nutritious foods. Cut back on processed junk and sugar. Embrace fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and good fats. Your body will thrive, and you'll feel the difference. The foods you consume are not just fuel, they're your lifeline. Don't forget, opt for whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your body. Remember, a vibrant life begins at the end of your fork. Tip number 2, folks, is hydration. Water is life. Make it a habit to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Proper hydration keeps your skin glowing, your body functioning at its best, and your energy levels soaring. Now, let's talk about tip number 3, exercise. Your body is designed to move, so honor that design. Whether it's yoga, dancing, or a brisk walk in nature, find an activity that rejuvenates your spirit and keeps your body in harmony. Get that body moving. Find an activity you love, whether it's dancing, hiking, or hitting the gym. Regular exercise not only keeps you in shape but also boosts your mood and reduces stress. Win-win. Tip number 4 is all about mental health. Take care of your mind. Become acutely aware of the present moment. Embrace gratitude for the gift of life itself. This simple practice can transform your outlook and set the stage for better choices. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or simply take moments to breathe deeply. Your mental well-being is just as important as your physical health. Nurture your mind. Read, meditate, or engage in creative pursuits. A wise man once said that a balanced mind is the cornerstone of a healthy life. Don't forget that. And now, for tip number 5, I've got something special for you. The Doctor's Book of Survival. In this fast-paced world, it's not always easy to reach your doctor when you need them the most. We all know that sometimes it's tough to reach a doctor when you need them most. Life often presents moments of vulnerability when reaching a doctor seems impossible. That's where this book shines. The Doctor's Book of Survival is your sanctuary, your guide to managing common health issues when time is of the essence. Imagine having the power to take control of your health when the doctor can't be reached. The Doctor's Book of Survival is your go-to resource for quick solutions and peace of mind. It's like having a doctor in your pocket. Click the link below this video to get more information and decide if you need one today. It's time to take charge of your health like never before. Talk to you soon.